Hello and thank you for watching. As some of you might know, I'm also a sim racer. I like to do this on my spare time next to my photography stuff. And I decided to upgrade my Wheelstand Pro sim rig kit with a GT1-EVO kit from SimLab. So this is the whole kit. There are some additional items like the TH8A shifter pad for my Thrustmaster shifter and some sliders for the chair and some bucket seat brackets or chair mounting brackets. And I also ordered a set of caster wheels so I can move the whole rig around. That's the basic issue I have now with the Wheelstand Pro, that it's quite annoying to move around. You have to lift it up and put it under the desk every time you want to race and then hook everything up. And it is sturdy and it has functioned well for me until now, but I really wanted this upgrade kit, so I do some more racing as I'm now sometimes just I don't want to set it up because it's too much of a hassle. So the GT1-EVO sim rig from SimLab. I'm going to do a time-lapse video here to show you the building process. And there's no chair for this at this moment, or bucket seat that I tend to use. I have the slider and the brackets, but I want to see if I can mount an old desk chair to it that I have from DX Racer, if I'm not mistaken. And I want to try to fit that to it. So this video is going to be a time lapse. I'm just going to build it and then show you the end result. Here's a short image of the gear I use now with the Wheelstand Pro and the Thrustmaster wheel, shifter and pedals. And then I'll show you the rest when this is finished afterwards.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Okay, so that was it for this video. You might have noticed a couple of minutes are missing here and there on a couple of moments in the video. I had to format my memory card 3 times in the video process. The whole build took about 2 hours in total, and as you can see I still have these chair brackets that I haven't used yet. I don't know if I will need them for this build. I'm gonna see how I want to mount the desk chair part to it, and this might be for a future upgrade for a real seat. But first I'm gonna try it with the things I got. It all went together quite easily, and there were no instructions in the box, at least not for me. I don't know if that's standard, but there's a PDF on the website that basically gives you an image and where every part goes. So it's a bit of common sense, and looking at the image closely, you should be able to figure out how it all goes together. I haven't built I haven't placed the steering wheel and the shifter and the pedals on it yet. That might be for a different video. I do have a lot of screws and accessories left, which I don't know if that's standard, but it's a bit overkill, I think. I will need a couple more for mounting the shifter and the steering wheel and the pedals. For the shifter I have them here, separately labeled. These came with the sliders, so I think I have to use these to mount either that bracket or a chair to it. And then I have some other seat brackets and seat slider screws and some kind of sticker and a couple of the elbow brackets, I don't know how you call them, and the plastic protectors left. So it's all feels very sturdy, very stable. I think this will not break down. I think my desk will go first if something happens. That was it for this video. I hope to come with the next video soon, where I'm gonna try mounting everything to it. So I will run my cables and manage everything. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video.